You are a little anticuado. Hi everyone, the word of the day is anticuado. Anticuado. This means old-fashioned, outdated, and sometimes it refers to something obsolete. Anticuado is masculine and anticuada is feminine. The plural form is anticuados or anticuadas. Now let's see a few examples. Mis abuelos son un poco anticuados. Mis abuelos son un poco anticuados. Vestirse así es un poco anticuado. Vestirse así es un poco anticuado. Hay ideas anticuadas que no sirven hoy en día. Hay ideas anticuadas que no sirven hoy en día. La decoración está un poco anticuada. La decoración está un poco anticuada. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave me more examples down below. I always love to read your comments, or you could leave any questions about this topic as well. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!